Similar to the other tests, make sure that the user's first step is to double click on the icon on the desktop, and then after that you would have the main screen and go through the usual steps of first selecting all the data sets and then ensuring that they typed in a specified Define.XML, and then click on the Generate button. Now at that point it should create a Define.XML document. It's taking a second here for me, and we want it to verify. Currently it's not finished yet, but I want you to write the detail report, and we want it to look like the final version, which is not quite finished. The final version you can review at the specification page here. So if you look at this address that we have, you can then go to the number 5 index column to see that report. Okay, it finally captured it. It's now generating it. It's taking a little long time, but I want you to use this as a review. I'll show you in a little bit. Now the next step is, to wait for the status and then review the fact that all 3 data sets are created with the index column. This is what's referred to as an index column here. Now this style is old, so we're not planning to review that. Although once Tang is finished, it should look more like the index column that we want, which is this. So the steps that you want to verify, you can then look at the example here to review. But the step that you want to verify is that all 3 data sets, well, first of all, verify that when you click on the plus and minus sign here, that the dataset list will close and expand, and that in the dataset will list the 3 datasets. In our case, it will be these matching these 3. So one of the verification is that the list selected here will match the list of datasets in the left column, and then verify the link. So if the user clicks on one of these, that it will navigate to the specified list on the right side, and do that for all 3 data sets. The other one is that you have to verify the value level list, verify the plus and minus, and then click on the value level metadata list and make sure it navigates to the right one on our report. Now that could be verified when so part of the test is you have to make sure that the user clicks on edit and then goes to the variable and then selects the writes variable level assignments, which we did earlier on a previous step. It takes a little long time. Perhaps one of the enhancements I was going to ask is to optimize this, but it's going to make sure that you navigate to the value level metadata list here and verify that for every variable that has the yes or the variable name as specified, that it appears here, and that when you click on it, it goes to the right value level list here. Also verify the control terminology list here, which is done by the code terms on a previous test, so you can follow the same steps on creating the code lists. Actually, it's going to be on one of the later test cases, but maybe you could do that test case first and then use that to then verify the same type of linking will work here. So that's all the verification that we would do for this left panel code list. And one thing to note is that in this example the background is green, but in our case the background is going to be white color.